So that there is Karen, my baby. How you doing, Karen? Well, so check it. We just added this, even though we got a lot of keyboards, but we needed a wireless keyboard so I don't keep tripping over the cable when I get out. But this is the new Pop guy right here. He's in this box. Pop, that's a new wheel. Now that wheel is actually not really meant for him. It's actually for that guy right there. Pop, it's for both, but here's the thing. I modded that Logitech G920 and never was able to like fully use that deep dish wheel, but I know what it feels like. And I'm kind of used to these flatter wheels, but I like them both. But I wanted to see how a flat, bigger wheel feels even on the Logitech G920 or even on this, because I'm about to add the deep dish here. I never changed this wheel. What I did about a week or two ago, I added a solid metal quick release, the QR1. Once I changed, it comes with the plastic quick release that's pretty sturdy, this. But once you add another metal quick release, even like the QR1, the QR, this came out to like 74 bucks after taxes, shipping and handling. So it's like 50 something. Shipping and handling, taxes, Pop, 77 bucks. I ordered it. It got here like 3 days later or something like that. Pop, is here. It made it so much sturdier, solid, amazing. The feel is amazing, my guy. So now, I ordered this wheel because it's a budget-friendly wheel. Now, mind you that this wheel is an amazing wheel. It throws out ink. People were asking if it makes your hands black in the beginning. I guess because it's been out there drying up. Lately, when I touch it, it hasn't. But before, just from a little rub, it'll get black. Not that I'm white, but Pop. And that one was 80 bucks on Amazon. I think it still is. It's on sale for like 70 if I'm not mistaken. Pop, I'll put the link in the description. And I also added a quick release and some other mods to the pedals, all that. We invested some bread in it. I love the Logitech G920. Pop, oh, and I bought the stick shift for it. And that cable right there. You see that cable? That cable right here is about 37 bucks. Pop, this cable is, because this is EVG, if I'm not mistaken, right? It's so you could use the Logitech wheel shifter, Pop, or any part that has that plug-in and connect it to USB, because I used it with the Fanatic wheelbase for a few days until my other stick shifts and handbrakes or what have you came in the mail. But if I knew how this handbrake felt before I got it, I would have just stood with the Logitech G920. Facts. Because it's black. I felt it looked better even when you add a sword or different knobs. This Thrustmaster, the only thing is that it's metal. But it's not super much of a difference in shifting from the Logitech, bro. People say that the Logitech was like skipping shifts and all that. This did it more than the Logitech. So a lot of creators are lying to you because these companies gave them their stuff. I buy my own stuff with my own money. Everything I've done with the same money I've generated right here online with my platforms, this platform, my other platforms. The link's in the description, and I show you how to exactly do the same. Pop, so you gotta excuse the mess, because as you can see, we're recording a video, and I'm doing this with the phone, Pop. You get it? So it's a little mess over here, because we're using everything, and we cleaning up, and we doing this, Pop. Wheel thing right here. So let's get to it. Let's see this bad boy. What color is it? Now, my problem is that sometimes as a creator, I could be a little too honest. This wheel was on sale for actually like I think 39 or 29, so I jumped on it. I hear some people talk about it went bad in their car. Maybe you was turned. It's the same steering wheel. I could use this for my car or my sim brake, so I use it for both. That's what we're about to do because I love the color if they send the right one. Pop. Oh, which leads me, I'm gonna tell you about that other wheel off top. I don't like that, but it's not their fault. I didn't put to add a prime package, so they send it in this packaging, so that's not too bad. But I'm into the packaging big time. So far, the packaging is not that sturdy, but at least it's black with green. It's not super ugly. But let me tell you something. It was on sale, right? I jumped on it and I bought it with the same money, like I say, that I generate on the internet. You know what I ordered this with? With the very same money that I make on Amazon affiliate, Amazon associates, Amazon influencer, and what have you. With that same money, I have them at times pay me to my gift card, and I order my products so nobody gives me none, and I don't feel like I have to lie to you. I tell you the straight truth with my own hard-earned money, because I still worked for that money regardless. So when I need to add a little few extra dollars to a product, it's there, pop. You get it? So I don't use it. I don't move it. If I'm buying something that's $400, I might need an extra $50. Oh, let's go to Amazon. Pesos owns me a few pesos. My God, this guy takes so long to get to the product, bro. That's the beauty about not having a company pay you to lie to people. You can take your time because you're not worried about them believing your lies. I'm being the truth. I'm being me. For wreck. Now, I'm not one to cry. I understand that you can't expect much for 30 bucks, whatever, or 30-something bucks. But if you plan on keeping their box, maybe this is not for you. They mess it up all with that tape and all that. I don't know what else could they do about that. But maybe you just want this part. I don't know. But I'm not into that. I like my boxes solid, durable. In fact, I might care more about the packaging than the product that's inside. And I think that's what a lot of companies fail to realize. This box feels like they got it from a junkyard, put it together, and then put this wheel in it. But let's see if what's inside is magical. So it looks like it's taken care of. And it's not that flat. It's exactly what I expected it to be. A little pushed in, but not like flat. I used to love these when I was little. But let's see. Not that I'm any bigger. Another plastic. So this feels like that plastic when you buy the clothes on 28th Street, the bootlegged clothes, trying to sell them as the real ones. So that's that type of bag. A little ASMR, right? That's what it is. Pop.
The fire is burning as we proceed to get into the wheel of fortune. Bing, you won a cocotazo.
Now, I don't lie. I'm the honest dude you ever gonna meet in your life. This is the stupidest thing I ever seen in my life. I don't know if these are the bootlegged guys, if this is the real company, or is this a prank. But it comes with the horn thing, right? And it has the cables down there. You can see them, right? I'm pretty sure you don't. Well, you saw more than one cable. But this here is yellow. This is not the same color gold as the three ping, ping, ping. Is not the same. This is yellow with black and green, pop, and this is gold. So this is like a mustard color in real life, and this is gold. So if you're looking for an all gold thing, don't buy this. I'm not gonna lie to you. That gets me so mad. Thank God that they probably feel and know that most people ain't even gonna use this if you're using it for sim. Even though I still may want to use it, and I may, because I had planned to. But I may either change it to a black one that I have there or a red one. So now I'm forced to change it. Definitely we removing their name, RASTP, all that. We're not doing that. I put my own label there. But anyway, I don't know. It's not bad. It's a wheel. It feels like the wheel I used to, when I had to move grandpa's car. I'm just kidding. I never even had a grandfather. But the wheel looks like if it's not centered. Hold on, maybe it's my head. Nah, bro, I'm not bugging. Something is wrong here. Hold on. Okay, yeah, there it is, I guess. Yeah. So from a distance, it looks like good or the same color. You get it? Maybe it was meant to be that way, but they not the same color. Because they're not the same. I'm pretty sure they could have got it to be the same color. I guess this is a hard plastic or this is metal. Maybe it was because of what this is made out of. This feels like plastic. Oh my god, this is plastic? Hold on. Let me see this one. This one is metal. Look, this is metal, bro. So, this is a metal. And I could just put the black one there. Pop. And change the whole look. It'll probably look way better than that one. With a black one. You know, you gotta switch it up. Pop. Yeah, that one is metal too. But it's not sturdier than this one. It's two different wheels. So, but anyway, I'm pretty sure you could get or guess what I was trying to do. There's like a color coordinated thing going on. But it kind of looks like the same gold. It actually is. Well, there's a lot of light in here, so there's actually maybe they did it that way because when you put a lot of light to it, it all looks yellow, like a goldish yellow, and it looks the same. So maybe they tried it with the lights in a room. Like they do these things, you know, thinking about your lighting around you too. Don't get it twisted. They know. So I don't know, but it looks kind of cool. It still is not. I don't think it's ever gonna be everything the same exact. But when you look at it, it's like, oh snap! But that still looks yellow for right there when it gets darker. You get it? So that's the only problem I have with it. And I bought this flat one in hopes that maybe I'll still reach the pedals. You know what I mean? The the side paddles from the Logitech G920. I don't know, because I added a quick release to it. So I'm going to take out the quick release and leave the hub and see. I'm just trying new things and different things so I can tell you guys what works and what actually don't work. But this definitely feels like a good wheel. It has a little weight to it. I'm not going to take it and bend it up like all these guys do. There's something hanging over here, but you can't expect much, guys. Look, there's a little paint there or scratch. Okay. It feels like kind of sharp in the edges, some edges, like a knife. Is that a good or a bad thing? Like the way it was cut, like what they use in a cut. Right here, you can see even the little lines. Can you see the detail? It's like maybe that's like a look they going for, but this needs to be sanded down the right way. You catch one of these real sensitive dudes, he's gonna be like, "Oi!" But it's not bad, bro. This gets a little depressing, but hey, what can you expect for the price point, right? Overall, I'm happy with it. Something different, something new is a gift to me. But for some reason, it looks like it's not. Even nah, it is. It is. Let me see. I'm bugging. It smells good. It smells like a good, nice pleather. I don't know what it is, but it feels good. It would have been amazing if the stitching was gold inside. That's why I bought this one. Because if you see it on Amazon, it says you have an option for the gold stitching inside or just solid black. I hit the yellow stitching and they sent me a solid one. That had me so upset because I paid 80-something bucks for it. But here's the thing. I wasn't going to send it back. I'm like, cool, I'll just get another one. But I'm dying for one with the stitching inside to be either yellow or the line red up there or some form of red outside of the wheel. And the line inside, pop, yellow, or the whole wheel red or yellow, the other way around with some things red on it. You get it? Red and yellow, red and yellow. So I'm trying to have a red and yellow setup, and then a gold and black setup, and then a purple with like a light bluish type of, you know, like a twitchy type of look feel. You know, different things, bro. Let me know what you think. What you think, my guy? Damn, look at them wires, bro. We fixing up in here. It's getting crazy. We got to pick all this up right now. Pop. You know you making tech when all this is going down.